So today I'm going to show you how to install a Harmar lift onto the back of a vehicle. To start, you're going to come with a lift. If you buy it from us, you're also going to get a male piece that will go into the trailer hitch like this. This piece can be installed one of two ways. So it can be installed in the high position. So if your trailer hitch is 13 inches above the ground or lower, you will put your male piece on like this in the high position. If your hitch is 13 inches or above, you're going to put it in the low position, like this. So this male piece comes with 3 bolts. These 2 on the ends are the same. These 2 are going to be used to mount the male piece onto the lift like this. Your 3rd bolt is your trailer hitch bolt. So this bolt has a metal sleeve on it like this. You can see it moving there. This goes into your trailer hitch, and this sleeve jams into the hitch and make sure your lift doesn't move. So you don't want to use this bolt when mounting your male piece to the lift. So I'm going to mount the piece. This trailer hitch is about 14 inches high, so I'm going to set it in the low position. And then with these screws, the threading is on the left side, so I'm going to come in from the right. And then these take a 3/4 socket. I'm going to use a 3/4 drill. You can use 2 3/4 wrenches. You can use a 3/4 socket set, but I'm going to use a drill to save time. Then we're going to take our nuts and we're going to put them on the outside. And then tighten them up. And now our male piece is on. So to get your lift on your hitch, this male piece right here that we just installed is going to slide into this hitch right here. So I would recommend having 2 people to help you with this. The lifts are very heavy, about 150 pounds. So I'm going to call an assistant over. I'm going to lift the lift up. So now we want to make sure our male piece, you can see our male piece is in the hitch. We want to make sure the hole in the male piece is lined up with this hole in the hitch. Once it is, we want to take our bolt with that metal sleeve on it, and we're going to push it through. That metal sleeve is what locks into the hitch, and it makes sure your lift doesn't rattle when driving down the highway or the road. I'm going to put our nut on the other side. Now I currently have the swing away open, so I can actually reach in here and I have more room to work. And then I'm going to get a 3/4 wrench key on one side, and I'm going to use my 3/4 drill on the other side, and then tighten it up. You can use a 3/4 socket or 2 3/4 wrenches, whatever works. But once it's tight, you can see the lift isn't going to shake at all. Now that we got the male piece installed and the bolt tightened, we're going to connect our power. So we have the power cable for the lift, goes into our wire harness that's ran underneath the vehicle. We do ship a wire harness with the lifts, and we will post a wire harness installation guide in the future. You can also always go to an auto body shop or a local mechanic or someone to run the wire under the vehicle. But now we have power and your lift will be installed. Alright, so once your lift is installed, it should look like this. And if you have that bolt secure, the lift will not rattle at all. It should be nice and secure with that bolt sleeve on it. But this is what your lift looks like installed. So now we're going to cover how to take the lift off of a vehicle. It's pretty much the exact same process, but in reverse. We're going to start by disconnecting our power. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take out that bolt sleeve that we installed earlier. Again, a 3/4 wrench, and I've got a 3/4 drill. You can use a socket set or 2 wrenches. The drill is just faster for me. There we go, and it pops right out. Then we're going to pull the lift off the car next. So to take the lift off the car, I would recommend grabbing a second person here, and you basically want to lift on both sides, and we're going to pull it out that way. So that was how to install and take off your Harmar lift onto a vehicle. Keep in mind, if you are transferring a lift from one vehicle to another, make sure you measure the hitch height and then adjust this male piece accordingly. 13 inches or lower would be high, and then 13 inches or above would be in a low position like it is now.
If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.